this spray.
Like he's going to come after us. Wait, lift up your
I
hair.
don't see anything.
And then
The heck?
she's gonna get
Okay. What the heck was that? It looked like little Freddy's. So I'm gonna have to keep an eye behind me too.
Let's go. Yay!
I gotta keep my little Freddy bear safe.
Teddy bear turns into big fat
Let's
monster.
go. Oh! I saw him! I saw him!
I didn't know. I didn't see it. It was Foxy, I
What
think.
the heck? Okay.
Where did it come from? The door. The door. Which one?
I didn't know how long I was supposed to keep it closed for. And I should have got rid of my
comes out of
my clues.
Why are you
So, I guess we'll continue.
Yeah,
That was scary. That was scarier than before because it's like way faster. It's scarier. Okay. Night one. Let's see what it says. Let's not get rid of the tips. Okay, listen carefully. If you hear breathing, hold the door shut. If you do not hear breathing, then use your flashlight. Okay.
Oh no. I'm not good. I'm good. What
Please
the?
hold the door shut. If you do not hear breathing, then use your flashlight.
Your blankie. This is our blanket.
Okay, so I can't use my flashlight every single time. And then this one,
It's
do I just listen to?
I'm gonna vote.
And do I have to keep my flashlight on him? I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. That's Foxy.
What are you doing there, buddy? Okay, let's see what are the tips then.
It's Foxy.
I don't hear breathing.
Foxy.
Am I supposed to keep my flashlight on them? Is that how it's supposed to go?
Why are you closing the vents?
All right, let's look behind me.
For you guys.
Making sure you're safe, little teddy bear.
Danger!
Get out of here.
Let me see.
Stupid thing.
I'm done. I'm stuck.
Get out of here! Alright, I feel like something's gonna happen. I hear something else.
Turning in closet. Nothing's there.
Or get out of here, you! Go away! Nothing. Still nothing.
I found that one too, guys.
I'm scared.
I got nothing.
Okay. Go away! It's 5 in the morning.
Someone's gonna come out.
I heard something.
I never seen it.
What's that? It was a duck. Chica.
What the heck? Okay, that wasn't the breathing sound. I probably should have used my flashlight. Dang it! I will get this. I will get it. Alright.
She's at 12
So I
a.m.
can't close the door if there's nothing there. Maybe I just triggered something. So,
I'm peeking. I'm peeking.
alright, it's 12 a.m. How's my little Freddy? Doing good, Freddy? It's hard for me to talk because I'm trying to listen.
Who said
If I
nightmares?
talk,
Behind you. Behind you.
nothing.
30 more minutes. There she goes.
Go. No, you go away.
Oh no.
4 a.m. Still nothing.
rotating me. Behind you. Can you find out you're beside me? Huh? You're beside me. No, I'm beside
Are
me.
you alright there, Freddie? Oh gosh, we're almost there.
What does she do? She's at 5 a.m.
No activity. Leave it alone.
She's keeping Freddy away. Reese, you're shaking.
I don't hear breathing.
Huh? You're shivering. Stop winning me. You are. I just
Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna live?
There.
I lived.
He lived.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The alarm is going off. I made it. I had no encounter with anything, so I think I probably just got lucky. 4 days until the party. All right. I'm still locked in my room. You know he is hiding again. These are my friends. Who's hiding?
Freddy.
He won't stop until you find him. Okay, let me get out. Oh, I can get out. Oh, hello there. Walking around the house, can I? Over there. Over where? Over there? Hey, stop following me. Stop it. Can I go on this bed? Is this like my sister's
Oh,
room?
that's Mango.
She likes Foxy or Mangled. Can we go this way? What's over here? Just chilling on the couch. What the heck, you stupid! Stupid fox.
That's it. Mom said